Check it out. Flip Mode Squad 98, Raw Deluxe. Check it out, yo. I'll be the street kid, the brother your mama free with. Put y'all people on if y'all know how to keep it secret. When I get money, you know I like to keep it. How I get money, others are trying to beat it. Flip Mode, be winners you wanna form a team with. The big money figures, the ones that plot the scheme with. The brothers that be used to getting money free with. The ones I would always measure my triple B's with. Until they start taking my people to the precinct. That's so back in the day, yo, that ain't nothing recent. Cause nowadays we need women we like to speak with, eat with, lay them down and sleep with. Type of woman make a brother wanna keep it. Shorty be so exotic, she looking decent. Line of 20 others be offering whack free. I can't hold her heat no more, yo, I gotta release it. What y'all wanna do? Don't you know we always coming through? Me and my crew, let me hear you say fired up. Say fired up. To all my dogs that stay blunted, roll around in the 500 all day. Let me hear you say fired up. Say fired up. Come on. Now every time that I meet a sucker in front of his eye, getting money and everybody want it. Smoke one big, get myself over, fall on the floor, and I gotta call my S500 Iceberg 5. Where you at?
No need for alarm. Right now I'm cruising to the sounds of my enhanced CD-ROM.
Hurry up, 5, and yo, you know it's about to get thick. I see this cap away behind my back, about to do a stick.
Tell me where you at, I will be there in 10 seconds flat. You know I got your back, I'll be there just in time to counter act.
Sometimes I'm out and forget my S5 bulletproof. I turbo move and blast right through the ceiling in the roof. Coming through hitting you, knocking out a sucker too. Full speed ahead like we running a toll booth. Produce more flavor than every fried juice. Call a juice, we gon' me and my people the best news. All my ladies in the place to be, getting money riding next to me. Let me see, let me hear you say fired up. Say fired up. All my people just wave your hand, getting money all across the lane. One time, let me hear you say fired up. Say fired up. Face the heat, we letting loose to the extreme. We in the Iceberg S5, bounce from the scene. Recline my seat, rock to the beat, leaning so hard, it's like my whole squad up in the Jeep. Blowing up the spot that we hit them, know what I mean. Got you open, we keeping you people up like caffeine. Flying guillotine, seeing everything on my little computer screen. From here to Philippines, keep it moving, we never run out of gasoline. Gas me your arson and sucker with kerosene. Me and my vibe be running the mission you never seen. Hot shit, making you suckers forever fiend. Any one of you coming, you better come clean. Hit you with an overdose, some more rhyme amphetamine. Got your eye bloodshot, you need Visine. People is wildin', I think you need to ring the siren. What y'all wanna do? Don't you know we always coming through? Me and my crew, let me hear you say fired up. Say fired up. To all my dogs that stay.
What up, y'all? Yeah, soundtrack, what's poppin', baby? Y'all ain't know, I go by the name of Lupe Fiasco, representing that first and 15. Yeah, and this one right here, I dedicate this one right here to all my homies out there grinding. You know what I'm saying? Legally and illegally. You know what I'm talking about? So, check it out. First got it when he was 6, didn't know any tricks. Matter of fact, first time he got on it, he slipped, landed on his hip and busted his lip. For a week he had to talk with a lisp like this. Now we can end the story right here, but shorty didn't quit, it was something in the air. Yeah, he said it was something so appealing, he couldn't fight the feeling, something about it. He knew he couldn't doubt it, couldn't understand it, branded since the first kick flip he landed. Labeled a misfit, a bandit. His neighbors couldn't stand it, so he was banished to the park. Started in the morning, one stopped after dark. Yeah, when they said it's getting late in here, so I'm sorry, young man, there's no skating here. And so we kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. And away he rolled, just a rebel to the world with no place to go. And so we kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. So come and skate with me, just a rebel looking for a place to be. So let's kick and push and coast. My man got a little older, became a better roller. Yeah, no helmet, hell-bent on killing himself is what his mama said, but he was feeling himself. Got a little more swagger in his style. Met his girlfriend, she was clapping in the crowd. Love is what was happening to him now. He said said I would marry you, but I'm engaged to these aerials and burials, and I don't think this board is strong enough to carry two. She said, bow, I weigh 120 pounds. Now, let me make one thing clear. I don't need to ride yours, I got mine right here. So she took him to a spot he didn't know about. Some odd in the apartment parking lot. She said, I don't normally take dates in here. Security came and said, I'm sorry, there's no skating here. And so they kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. And the way they roll, just lovers intertwined with no place to go. And so they kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. So come and skate with me, just a rebel, looking for a place to be. So let's kick, and push, yeah, and coast. Yeah, yeah. Before he knew he had a crew, there wasn't no punk, and they spit fire shirts and SB dunks. They would push till they couldn't skate no more. Office building lobbies wasn't safe no more, and it wasn't like they wasn't getting chased no more. Just the freedom was better than breathing, they said. An escape route they used to escape out when things got crazy. They needed to break out. They head to any place with stairs, any good grinds, the world was theirs. And they four wheels would take them there until the cops came and said there's no skating here. And so we kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. And the way they roll, just rebels without a cause with no place to go. And so they kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. So come roll with me.